Hello and welcome once again. My name is Dave Valenzuela. I am your host. I am the person that will guide you I will be demonstrating to you how to use the PortableApps.com website so you can see all the different features and the cool portable apps that you can use for your laptop or computer. So without further ado, we will begin. So here we go, guys. Right here at the top, just type in PortableApps.com. It'll take you to the site, PortableApps.com site. It's got different features, download features, apps. So you don't have to create an account, but that's optional if you want to. So it has different variety of languages. And so if you look at keep work and personal separate, use personal portable apps for your personal apps on your work or PC, or for your work apps on your personal PC. Set your PC free. Your apps, your favorite apps on the cloud, local, on the portable drives, work on PCs whenever you go. And here's where you click to download. So what I'm going to show you, it's very fast. You can download, install, and go. Flexible, every PC like yours, your favorite software everywhere, your bookmarks and settings, edit your documents, photos, and more. No cost and no catch, no registration required, no adware, spyware, or malware. So it's been PC World. It's been seen through Popular Science, USA Today, CNN. So I'm going to go all the way up. I'm going to go to where it says apps, so I can show you the variety of apps that this site has available for you guys to check out. It has over 400 real portable apps, 36 gigabytes. Isn't that amazing? So here, if you look at the contents, portable app directory, you'll see the accessibility by view category. For those of you that are looking for a portable read text out loud, save audio file, completion, utility. Let's see, you can see by development, education. Those of you that are looking for a thesaurus offline, you can use that if you guys don't have access to Wi-Fi. Games, those of you that are gamers, they have so many free cool games online right now that you can download also. If you go to graphics, that's a cool feature tool. Scrolling down, internet, those of you that want to use Google Chrome Portable, I recommend that. It's fast, simple, and the browser's there. If I scroll all the way down, the Office Suite, this is the one I was explaining to you a while ago. Libreoffice Portable, for those of you that have trouble installing Microsoft Office Suite that you can't get a hold of it, I recommend use Libreoffice Portable, word processor, spreadsheet, presentation with excellent compatibility. Same thing, guys. It's similar. Yeah, there's some different features here and there, but it's still very useful. So here I'm looking for, I'll type it at the top, guys. Here I'm going to type in Smart Defrag. I'm going to show you how to install this app without having to have it on the installation. It'll be portable pretty much. We'll be running it off this site. Okay, once you see that, scroll down. You'll look at Smart Defrag Portable. Click on it one time. Smart Defrag Portable. We click on it one time. It'll start downloading in a couple of seconds. It takes you to another site. It takes you right there. It'll tell you downloading Smart Defrag Portable for portable apps, 0 seconds. And it should be coming right here to the left far end. Let me scroll down here. Okay, once it's a small, pretty much not too big of a file that you guys can download. So it's going to be downloading right here. Once I do that, once it finishes, I should be able to run the installation Smart Defrag Portable executable file. I'm just waiting on this to finish so that way I can show you guys. Okay, it's like 3 seconds left. Once it's done. Okay, once you see it's done, then the next thing you're going to do, you're going to make sure that this circle is all the way downloaded. So you'll see it'll, by default, it'll become available right now. Still waiting for it to just process. Alright, so we click on the Smart Defrag, and I can minimize this. Here it'll say, are you sure you want to run this software? Yes. Click one time run. After this, a dialog box will appear. Okay, and then it'll ask you the Smart Defrag Portable. Please select a language for the installer. Here you can select whatever language that is your preference. If you want it to be Spanish, you'll install it. If you want it to be Netherlands, so you have an option of installing different multiple languages. Click OK. This is the installation. The wizard will guide you through the installation of Smart Defrag. This is the installation step. Click Next. Yes, you want to agree to the license agreement. The destination folder. The destination folder is on C drive, so I'm sending it to users David downloads. So it'll be on my downloads folder. So I just click downloads, installation, click next, and then it'll start installing. There we go. And I can click on here and show details. It'll start telling me exactly where it's going to go. So do I want to run Smart Defrag Portable? Yes. Click the check mark and click finish. And then it'll take a couple of seconds to load the full program. And here, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, it'll open. It'll be right on my right. If I can click here, I open Smart Defrag. It should be opening anytime. Okay, there we go. So I'm going to maximize this screen. So here we go. This defragment on the left hand side. So by default, it's already check marked. You want to make sure it's check marked. You want to make sure that your Windows apps is also check marked. If you want to run a fast defrag, I'm going to click on it. Watch what happens, ladies and gentlemen. You'll see that it'll start defragmenting on your C drive, and here on your left hand side it'll say the percentage of how fast it will take for it to be defragmented, everything. So there you go. It's Smart Defrag 6.4.5 is free, and this is a portable one. You don't have to pay anything for it. Now I ran a defragmentation. Now I'm going to run a defrag optimize. So watch what happens, ladies and gentlemen. I'm optimizing now. First I did defragmentation. Now this is already been complete. I don't need to install this other third app. Just click back, click finish, and that should be it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon, guys. Thanks.